Hi guys, Love here from techbeatph.com, and today we're going to do an unboxing and sharing our first impressions of the new HONOR X9c Smart 5G, a phone that promises to blend durability with top-tier performance. Let's dive in. First up, the HONOR X9c Smart 5G. Right off the bat, it's available in two stunning colors, Ocean Cyan and Midnight Black. We're unboxing the Ocean Cyan model today, and it's a beauty. Look at that sleek design, and it feels great in the hand thanks to its good grip and lightweight build. Let's talk durability. This phone boasts a 2-meter drop resistance, splash resistance, and a 5-star SGS rating for durability. It's built to withstand life's little accidents. Impressive, right? Now let's talk about the camera. The HONOR X9c Smart 5G comes with a 108 megapixel camera and HONOR AI experience. That includes features like the eraser, which lets you remove unwanted objects from photos, and motion sensing for dynamic shots. For those who need performance, the HONOR X9c Smart 5G has you covered with 24 GB of RAM and 256 GB of ROM. That's plenty of space for your apps, photos, and videos, plus smooth multitasking. Next up, let's talk power. The phone packs a 5800 mAh super durable battery with 35 watts charging and 5G connectivity. That means you can stay connected and powered up throughout the day. To sum it up, the HONOR X9c Smart 5G impresses with its durability, camera capabilities, battery life, and performance. Whether you're an adventurer or a power user, this phone has something for everyone. So stay tuned for our full review and make sure to like, subscribe, click that bell icon for more updates from techbeatph.com. Once again, this is Fluffy. See you next time.